welcome back again to my YouTube channel, LizTech. Alright, so for today's video, we will have another comparison, and this time I'm gonna grant your request for giving comparison of a Vivo Y91i versus J4 Plus. Alright, so are you ready? Because I am also ready. Let's check this out. So here guys, you can see on the left side the Vivo Y91i. On the right side is the J4 Plus. So you can see in there the resolution. So as we look at closer to these phones, they have different styles and design. So as you can see here in Vivo Y91i, the screen has round edges and then it has water drop here on the top. And then on the J4 Plus side, it's just a plain pointy edge. J4 Plus has thicker bezels compared to Vivo Y91i. And then as you can see, it doesn't have water drop or it doesn't have notch design here on top. And now you'll see that both has a really nice screen resolution. You can see it there. Let's try to check its back. You'll see the marks of my fingerprint here. Okay, so here you'll see that both are already runs on Android version 8.1.0. And then the difference is this is powered by octa-core processor, this one, the Y91i, and then J4 Plus is only powered by quad-core processor, but both has a Snapdragon chipset. And then both have the same RAM and ROM, so both have 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. Okay, so let's learn more when it comes to their cameras and other features as well. So I'm so excited to test these two, since both of these are great entry-level smartphones released by their respective brands or companies. Okay, so let's talk about their cameras. Okay, so Vivo Y91i packs with dual cameras. First shooter is 13 megapixel and its secondary is 2 megapixel. It also has LED flash, and here in J4 Plus it only has one camera in rear, is 13 megapixel with LED flash as well, but it doesn't have fingerprint scanner as you can see it there. While Vivo Y91i, yes, it has fingerprint scanner, which is good. Imagine, price gap is only 1,000 pesos, but you can see a big difference. Vivo Y91i has 4,030 mAh, while J4 Plus has 3,300 mAh. Okay, so now let's do the speed testing for both smartphones, since both has 2GB RAM. Okay, so let's try to open first Lazada app. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, great. So it's so clear to you guys that Vivo Y91i opens faster than J4 Plus. And then so let's open Helix Jump. Okay, so Vivo Y91i again wins. Okay, next will be Temple Run. Vivo Y91i wins again. Okay, and the last one will be Subway Surfer. So from this comparison, you will really see that processor really matters. So since Vivo Y91i is already an octa-core processor, so expected that this is really have a great speed than J4 Plus. front camera of Vivo Y91i. Okay, so you can see that J4 Plus took vibrant shot. It's lighter than Y91i. That's it, guys! I hope that you liked my comparison of J4 Plus versus Vivo Y91i. So alright, so feel free to share which one do you think is the best for you, Vivo or Samsung. Okay, so by the way, before we end this video, I would like to shout out Rayleigh Ferrer, JL Cabasag, Chi Ironics, Ray Ablaza, Red Balben Nadila. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos and for supporting my channel. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again till my next reviews. Bye!